So after removing the iron base with the iron removal tool, I'm going to show you how to just bolt it back onto the thermal head. After we rotated the iron base back out towards us, say you replace it with a spare iron base that you have, and put it right onto these pillars, just like so. Then we'll rotate the table around with the dial, and then we'll drop our head again. So same process, pretty much as removing the iron. So come up above, we're in manual mode. Press rotate table. Just like so. After that, come kill our air, and then bleed the air out by opening our bleed valve. Right now I'm going to manually do that. Just like so. Then we can put our screws back on. For the sake of this video, I'll just do the 4. So we got 2 in the front, and we got our 2 in the back, 1 in each corner. And then after you get those 4 screws in, we'll come back over to the front of the machine. Now that it's bolted, now we're gonna want to close our bleed valve. And we're gonna power our system with air by turning this right here. Camera on the head to show the head rise up after I do that. So now I'm going to manually raise that head, and boom. After that, press that rotate table when we're in manual mode again. Rotate that out, then you'll remove the iron removal tool, put your fixture back on, and you're ready to press some parts.